today's lecture class we will see how do we execute a half wave precision rectifier. So half wave is nothing but during the positive half cycles we are going to get the response, and during the negative half cycle there will be no response. So precision is nothing but it is going to give me the more accurate value with respect to the accuracy in terms of getting the response here. So let us see how do we rig up the circuit by using the PSpice model here. So this is the model what we can use here for rigging up the circuit. Now by using this circuit we'll try to start rigging up the circuit here. Now as a first step in the execution we are going to start with the file new project. So next is we have to create a project by using the giving a file name. You can give as per the any file names. Since I am using a precision half wave rectifier, I'll be using PHWF. So we are going to create an analog and mixed mode file here. Click OK. As soon as you create this, we are going to create a new model here. So we will be creating a new model which is going to create a blank project. Click OK. So as soon as we click OK, we are going to get a new project as we require some of the components which is required for rigging up the circuit. Now we will take the op amp. So we will be selecting the MUA 741 evaluation version. So we'll be getting the evaluation version. Then press escape to get to the new component. Then we require voltage source, resistors. We require diode. We'll just select the diode here. D break by default, which we are going to take out. We'll require two diodes for rigging. One diode two diodes we require. So we will be placing two diodes and press escape. Then we require four resistors. Three resistors are required for rigging up this circuit. So go to the place PSpice components passive. Then we will select R. We require three resistor components which are required for rigging up this circuit. We place them there. Then we require a AC source. Go to the place PSpice components, source, voltage source, AC, and then we have to take AC source here.
B side.
Place PSpice components, source, voltage source, sine. So we will be taking the AC source here as a sine wave. Then we need to set the input voltage. So V off we will keep it as 0. Then we need to define what is the amplitude of the signal. So we can define whatever the amplitude you want, we can define it. So I will take it as 5 volts here. Then what is the frequency of operation which I need to implement the circuit. So we can select the frequency of operation as 50 Hertz, which can be given here. So AC we will keep it as 0. We'll keep this as 0 volts. Now after placing all the components what is required here, we need to start rigging up the circuit here as per given the circuit diagram. So we will rotate the circuit as per the convenience. Now we will start connecting the devices by using the AC source here. Then we require a resistor. One resistor is required which is to be placed. We take this resistor here. So we need to place the resistor and we need to connect it by using the wires. So we'll select a wire here. we'll start connecting to the voltage source to the resistor, and then from resistor to the pin number 2. So once we are done with, then we require a connection to be established with the diode. Replace the component as per the circuit diagram what is given. So you can rearrange the circuit diagram as per your convenience. But when you are rearranging, kindly rearrange as per the whatever the circuit diagram is given to you, so that it will be easy for us to place the components. Don't place the component haphazardly. So you can just place it as you can place here. Then we can have the rigging up can be done very easily. Then we required here. So we will place this above this diode here. And we require one wire which is to be shorted between these two terminals. We'll connect it to the pin number 2. Again a diode to be connected directly to the circuit. From the output of this, now we will rig up this circuit and will complete the circuit by seeing the circuit diagram. Here which can be used for execution of the circuit. So once we rig up the circuit, now we need to simulate this simulation here. So we'll go to the PSpice, new simulation, give the simulation name whatever the name you want to give. Sim1 I'm giving it as simulation name. You can choose it as per your convenience. Create the simulation. Once you create the simulation, now we have to give the general settings here. So here we have to take the AC sweep noise, time domain analysis to be taken. Run time we need to define from 0.2 seconds will start, and to start saving the data we can give it 0.2 seconds will start it, and start saving the data after around 0.02 milliseconds, that is after 2 milliseconds it will start saving the data. So we'll save this. Okay, now we can place the probes here for running the execution. So we'll be placing the probes here, and the input and output we can place the probes. Once we place the probes, we can start simulation, and we'll be getting the response. We can see here the red is the input what we have given. We can see during the positive half cycle we have the response, and during the negative half cycle the positive half cycle is clipped here, whereas the negative half cycle we are getting the response. So we can say this, the circuit is an half-wave precision rectifier. So the circuit whatever we have clipped here is what we can say is a positive clipped half-wave rectifier, since we are getting the only response for the negative half cycle.